I want to kill two birds with one stone. With this video, I want to show you how equipment and testing schedule go hand in hand and why they are driving efficiency for a lot of our users and why this is the reason that a lot of our customers want to use LabMODO. So in our equipment log, let's say we've got several instruments and pieces of equipment here. In a normal lab, this is 100 to 200 rows deep, but for the sake of this video, we are keeping it a little simple. Let's say we're going to activate a new piece of equipment and it's going to be a desktop centrifuge. Hope my spelling's good. Okay, the location is, I don't know, Micro Lab Desk 3. Serial number is this. Manufacturer is Fisher. Model number is this. Now, what is the regimen that this piece of equipment requires? Does it require calibration? Yes. Quarterly. When was it last completed? A month ago. Does it require maintenance? Yes. Let's say every 6 months we've got to add some maintenance. Last time it was done was back in May. Who does the calibration for us? Let's say it's Fisher, and our maintenance function is a third-party vendor. We can add notes if we want, but now this piece of equipment is going to be added to our log, desktop centrifuge. Very simple, not that important, doesn't do a lot for you. But what is critical, when you go to your testing schedule, you could see everything that your organization has coming up, whether it be proficiency tests, calibrations, equipment maintenance, DOCs, everything you could possibly want are organized and in one place. So for example, you could see our desktop centrifuge, piece of equipment E14, has a maintenance due semi-annually, and the next one is due November 9th. As November 9th were coming up, you would click on it, you would change the status, you would complete it, you would put in any notes that you need to, you would upload the certificate that it was completed, change the date if appropriate, and make that change. Once you hit save, of course, this is a recurring maintenance event. The system will automatically schedule the next maintenance that is appropriate for you 6 months later. We also have the calibration, which is coming up a little sooner. Our calibration is due September 3rd. It's recurring. What is our status? It is complete, which would mean we have to upload our documents or certs, or it is out for calibration and we just need to update the status so we know where it is, and cancel. But if we saved it, it would automatically schedule the next one. Now, let's say we want to add a different type of event. Maybe it's a verification or a TMA or a DOC or a proficiency test. Let's go in here, select all the methods that are appropriate. Let's say it's a metals and it's VOCs are the methods. I'm not sure if that makes sense. We're going to say, when does the order open date happen for this PT? It happens in October. Then the submission date happens in November, and the deadline for the submission happens in January. You can assign it to someone on your team if you want to. You can add notes, and you schedule the proficiency test. Now you have a new one scheduled, coming due September 18th. You know the status of everything. When it does flip to orderable, because it's September 18th, you'll be able to update the status to ordered, submit it, and save it. And your next due will be when this is submittable. Why is this important? This is critical because you are now have an automated tool to schedule everything that you need for your lab. You have one place to find it. You have one place to see it. You can capture documents. You can capture certs. You can capture everything all in one place. So I would ask myself, how do I manage this today? My guess is it's some combination of Excel and your Google or Microsoft calendar. This is how LabMODO does it.